Hello, everyone, and welcome to Go and Edit's weekly news bulletin. I'm Archie Fernandez, and I will take you through a few top stories of the week from Goa, India, and the world. Amid spike in COVID cases and rising deaths, the Goa government announced a complete 4-day lockdown that came into force on Thursday evening and will remain applicable till Monday morning. While the tourism hotspots like Kalangut, Kandoli, and Arpora Nagoa have been declared as containment zones for 10 days, that is until May 9. The environmentalists and nature lovers received a sense of relief as the Central Empowerment Committee, constituted by the Supreme Court, raised concerns over the environmental impact of the double tracking of the railway line from Castle Rock in Karnataka to Kule in Goa. The project will destroy the fragile ecosystem of the Western Ghats, the CEC said. The Union government earlier this month had said that the age group of 18 to 45 years can take the vaccination shot from May 1st. However, the Serum Institute of India (SII) has expressed inability to supply 5 lakh doses of Covishield for the state. In response to this, the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that the COVID-19 vaccination of those in the 18 to 45 age group will start as and when vaccine doses are available. On the national level, India continues to fight with a surge in COVID-19 cases and the resultant oxygen shortage at hospitals. With 4,08,323 new COVID-19 cases recorded until 11 p.m. on April 30th, India became the first country in the world to register over 4 lakh infections in a single day. As many as 3,464 new deaths were also reported on the day. Till date, more than 19 million COVID cases and 2,11,853 deaths have been reported. India will start vaccinating its citizens with the Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine from next month, said the Indian ambassador to Russia on Thursday. India has become the 60th country to authorize the use of this vaccine against coronavirus. The vaccine is now approved in countries with a total population of 3 billion or 40% of the world's population. Goa is the highest in India in terms of the test positivity rate. The total number of active cases in Goa as on Friday, April 30th was 22,945. As many as 3,024 people tested positive for coronavirus, while 54 deaths were declared on May 1st, out of which 14 deaths occurred between April 29th to April 30th at GMC. The Supreme Court sought vaccine equity throughout the country and asked the central government to ensure that the jabs were available to all at low prices. The court gave the government time till May 10th to undertake this policy rethink. On the international level, Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla said on Thursday that India has prioritized imports of oxygen, adding that 40 countries had pledged their support. India is looking at getting around 550 oxygen generating plants, 4,000 oxygen concentrators, and 10,000 oxygen cylinders from abroad to deal with the coronavirus pandemic. Like many other countries, due to the very high numbers of COVID-19 cases and multiple strains of the virus in India, the United States too will restrict travel of non-citizens from the country starting May 4th. That's all we have for this week. Follow our social media handles for latest updates on the ongoing coronavirus pandemic and lot more. Thank you for watching.